Xiaomi, Redmi phone stuck in boot loop. Keeps restarting? Here's the fix. Fix 1. Force restart. Step 1. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 10-20 seconds. Step 2. Release the buttons when the My Redmi logo appears and wait for the device to reboot. Fix 2. Wipe cache partitions. Step 1. Power off your phone completely. Step 2. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons until the My logo appears. Step 3. Release the buttons to enter recovery mode. Step 4. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache and press the power button to select. Step 5. Confirm the action and wait for the process to complete, then select reboot. Fix 3. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Power off your phone. Step 2. Power it on, and as soon as you see the My logo, press and hold the volume down button. Step 3. Keep holding until the device fully boots. You'll see Safe Mode at the bottom left corner. Step 4. Uninstall any recently installed or suspicious apps that may be causing the issue. Fix 4. Factory Reset, last resort. Step 1. Turn off the phone. Step 2. Press and hold power and volume up until the My logo appears. Step 3. Release the buttons to enter recovery mode. Step 4. Navigate to wipe data. Wipe all data using the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Step 5. Once the process completes, select Reboot to restart your phone.